So here we are, it's springtime. We're out here with Katie at French Prairie Gardens. And spring is in the air. You had an event coming up next week, and unfortunately it's going to have to be canceled.
That's true, yes. We are postponing it right now due to what's going on, but we do want to offer a coupon for those of you who have RSVP'd and any of our Garden Time people. Our coupon code is Garden Time. Come on in to save 20% in store or online.
Because you have, there's lots of plants and baskets and things like that are already done out here.
That's
so
correct.
That
our ladies love to plant their own, but we do have over 150 different combinations for you to choose from.
And they already look like, they're getting ready to be out. We're getting to be that
They
time.
are getting ready, but if you don't really want to put them out right now, you can buy them online and we'll call you when they're ready and you can come and pick them up or pick them out yourself, whatever works for your situation.
And then you have a lot of the shrubs and other plants and landscape items too, right?
Yes. I'm actually a landscape designer, so I can actually help you out. So if you send me a photo and some specifics, maybe a budget, I can put something together for you, and you can just spend your time and plan it yourself.
Right. And there's other activities out here at the nursery to do. So if people are wanting to come out, you're in this big open outdoor country setting, right?
Yes.
So if we're worried about being in big crowds, you can come out.
Oh yeah, we're a small garden center in the fact that, we're never really crowded. We have lots of open space, lots of greenhouses to go into. We have our farm animals, some fun stuff for the kids. We have beer and cider for mom and dad, ice cream for kids, and our farm store. We have produce, we have meat, we have lots of things for people if they're just trying to grab some stuff, support local. Small family business. We're here to help you out.
Right, because during these times, people are, they're going to be feeling a little cooped up and not wanting to go anywhere. But this is kind of, safe options of things and activities that you can do with your whole family. And you have the whole, like you said, the store with all sorts of other goodies in it, like the meats and the produce.
Right, and if you're one of those people who just don't want to be around people but want to still support us, our online store will have all that. Just let us know. We'll pack it up for you, deliver it when you pull up, and we're here to help.
That's great. And come support local, and appreciate that. So for more information, you can go to the French Prairie Gardens website, or you can click over to gardentime.tv, and we'll get you set up on the website. So thank you.
Thank you.